Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you. Remember to like, share, and leave me a comment for this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. And today's video is a monthly subscription from the Bookcase Club. You get 2 books each month. They're hardbound with a nice jacket. This subscription is for avid readers or readers of all kind. And they have several different types. And I wrote them down so I can read them to you because I always forget. They have 6 different options to choose for each month. Oh, and before I get started, the price is $9.99 a month. Plus $5 shipping and handling. So in total, it's $14.99 a month. And they have all the social media, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. The first option is a kids bookcase club, and you get to choose the age. And in that selection, you receive 3 books each month. The second one is the teenage dreams case, and that's basically for young adults. You get 2 books. The third one is the Thrill Seekers case, is what I get, and it's mystery and thriller. You receive 2 books. The fourth one is Strange Worlds case, and that is science fiction. You receive 2 books. The fifth one is the Blind Date case, and that's like paranormal romance novels. You receive 2 books. And the last option is Booking for Love case, and that is romance novels. It's shipped through Federal Express, so you get a tracking number and they email you, and they really do keep in good touch when it comes to the shipping process, which is nice. Not all of them do that. So it always comes in this nice box, well packaged, and they ask that you take pictures and share, more with the hashtag. That's more, Instagram thing. So it always comes nicely wrapped like a package. We'll open it up, and you always get 2, like I said, 2 nice books. I'm getting some glare on that from the light. And this is Crimson Lake by Candace Fox. And like I said, it's always, nice jackets on the books. They're just, plain everyday books like you would buy, Barnes & Noble or wherever, or take out from the library. Nice, easy read pages. And this has a retail price, and it tells you on the back, of $25.99. So, only paying $14.99. It paid, 1 book paid for itself, and books are expensive. And the next book is Ragdoll by Daniel Cole. Once again, nice jacket, and, plain book, just like I said. These, usually, trying to think how many pages these books were. 372, so about 370 pages, but, nice, easy read. I do have, and this one, I'm trying to think, this doesn't have a price on it like the other one did. But, so that's this book, and that's Ragdoll. Let's just take that down. And then Crimson Lake are the 2 books that I received this month. And I have been getting this, I think this is either my 2nd month or my 3rd month. I'm really not sure. And I love to read, especially in the wintertime, which we are in here in the state of Pennsylvania where I live. I don't want to go out in the cold. It's, 30 degrees. Currently, it's cold. We get snow and ice. So a lot of times, a good cup of coffee or hot tea or any drink of your choosing, and you sit down, if you have a few moments, or sit down in the evening and get to read a book. And this would be great for the young adults and especially for children. And they would get 3 books, which I think they would love getting, a box addressed to them and be able to open it up and have books. Even the young adults, I think, would like that. If somebody sent this to me as a gift, I would still love it because I do love to read. I have so many books boxed up that I was just this past weekend going through them all and pulling them out. I might donate them to the library or take them, to a Goodwill or a place like that where they can be enjoyed by others. I've read them and there is no reason to keep them. I used to display them in a bookcase, but, moving things around in my home and stuff like that, I've boxed them all up. But I love to read, and rather than go to the library and check out books or, go purchase them myself, I figured this would be a great subscription for me. Since I am an avid reader, but as a new reader, this would be a great way. And I do believe with this subscription, which is great, you can switch your themes each month. If one month you want to, get the, what were the options? This is currently the Thrill Seekers case. If I wanted to get romance novels one or get sci-fi, if I wanted to get this for a child, I could choose the Kids Bookcase Club for 1 month. So you can switch it up so that you can get through all the genres that they offer. I am not real sure on the timing. So I think they renew your subscription renews like the first week or so of each month. So I'm sure if you wanted to switch what genre books you receive, you would have to do it prior to that. But you could check that out on their website. They have a nice landing page that gives you all that information. But I'm actually considering doing that for my next month to switch it up to something different. And, possibly then I could share some of the books with others. Not everybody likes, necessarily thrillers or, mysteries type things. But romance books, a lot of women that I know love to read them. So this is, in my opinion, a great monthly subscription to get. It's 2 books. Even if I don't read both books in 1 month, I know I have a book to take with me for the doctor's office waiting rooms. If you're traveling in a car to read or on a plane, just to have a book always at hand. They're great to take to the beach when it's nice weather or to the pool. You can just take a book with you many, many places. So I am thrilled to get this each month, and this will be one that I will be continuing to get each month and share with all of you on my channel. But like I said, I will be switching up the genres so that you can see different options that they have. So this is my subscription box for this month from the Bookcase Club. I appreciate you watching. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.